We don't need a prenup. That's planning to fail. Are you kidding? Not us. We'll never get divorced. Our love is everlasting. We'll beat the odds. Listen, if you believe that, then have a seat because I need to have a little chat with you. 50% or more of first marriages end in divorce, okay? No matter how hard you vet somebody, they could change. Or maybe you didn't vet hard enough, or they had a mask on during the courtship and things fell off the track a year, 2 or 3 after the wedding. Or you turned a blind eye to red flags. Yeah, imagine that. And you should have saw these things coming, but now you can only see them in hindsight in your rearview mirror. Talk to a local family law attorney about a prenup. Now, I know what a lot of people are going to say, oh, they don't hold up in court. Yes, they do. The ones that you hear about may have been purchased off the internet, and you don't even know who wrote it. Could it be a high school student or not even? But a local experienced family law attorney in your jurisdiction will help you understand what a prenup can and cannot do. And you want to do this before you set a wedding date. Because why? Because if it's too close to the wedding, you don't want to pressure anybody to sign anything. You want to make sure that there's plenty of time, if at all possible, to have the other person have legal counsel so they can understand everything. You want to make sure they can understand it, and maybe an interpreter too, if English isn't their first language. So take your time, vet carefully, but even the most carefully vetted person can wreak havoc on your life in terms of setting ablaze a terrible divorce. So word to the wise, little PSA here, explore a prenup. And if the other person walks, maybe they weren't for you. So if you like this video, feel free to hit that like button right down below, comment, subscribe, share it with somebody that may need to see it. But be intentional about what you're doing. Understand the laws, your rights and responsibilities in case your marriage goes south through no fault of your own or through fault of your own. You want to try to protect yourself. Leave a comment. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.